Hello everybody, this is Bee from Mama Bee's Kitchen. I hope you have a great day. Today guys, I'm gonna share with you one of my recipes. It has been in development for 4 years and finally I'm ready to share it with you guys. So let's get right into it. You know Mama Bee doesn't like to waste time. Let's start with the ingredients. Here I have all-purpose flour, salt, 1 egg, sugar, melted butter, half a cup of milk and half a cup of warm water, instant yeast. We're gonna start off by mixing our dry ingredients into my flour. I'm gonna add yeast, salt, sugar, now let's work on the wet ingredients. Into my milk mixture, I'm gonna add 1 beaten egg. Then I'm gonna mix everything together. I'm gonna pour my wet into dry ingredients. In goes butter. Next, I'm gonna take my wooden spoon and mix everything together. Once the flour starts to incorporate into the dough, I'm gonna flour my work surface and transfer my dough. Now I'm gonna knead my dough. What I'm looking for here, the dough should be slightly sticky but still very soft and pliable. Just like so. Now I'm gonna shape it into a round ball. Next, I'm gonna drizzle a little bit of olive oil. Using my pastry brush, I'm gonna coat my bowl with it and place my dough. Then I'll cover with a plastic wrap and proof it for 1 hour. Okay, it's been an hour. Bread is ready. Now I'm gonna punch down and knead maybe for like 30 seconds. Now it's time to portion our rolls. Guys, always make sure the rolls are of the same size. Making the rolls the same size ensures an even baking time. I'm pretty good at eyeballing it because I've been doing this for years, guys. But I would suggest you weigh your rolls, usually somewhere around 2.5 ounces. I have this recipe solid for about 2 years now, and I'm finally ready to share it with you guys. So it's gonna yield about 12 rolls. Now I'm gonna roll my dough into 12 balls. These rolls, guys, they are light, fluffy, buttery. Oh my God, they're so soft. I'm telling you, practically melt in your mouth. And you can also freeze them. I'm telling you, you're gonna be making these almost every week. Okay, now I'm gonna cover them. I'm gonna bench rest them for 15 minutes. Okay. Now we're gonna work on our filling. Into my bowl I have cream cheese, 1 egg, sugar, and vanilla. Into my cream cheese, I'm gonna add sugar. With my mixer, I'm gonna beat this until light, fluffy, and smooth. Into my egg, I'm gonna add vanilla. Then I'm gonna pour into my cream cheese mixture. I'm gonna mix this until well combined, creamy, and smooth. Now I'm gonna stop here and scrape my bowl. Okay, now our filling is ready. Okay guys, I have a mini drinking glass, so I'm gonna use it to make a dent on my dough. You can use anything that really works best for you guys. Just like so. So easy and simple. Next, we're gonna fill our rolls with the cream cheese filling. The reason, guys, I call this Canos, let me tell you, once baked, they just erupt like a volcano. And another thing that is cool with the Canos, guys, you can freeze them. As soon as you finish rolling them, you just wrap them and put them in the freezer. And when you are ready to eat, you just remove them from the freezer and allow to store, rise and double in size. Then you start doing the dentation, then add your filling, then you bake. The thawing normally takes anywhere between 1 to 2 hours. Now it's time to top our filling with the peach preserves. Now I'm gonna take my egg wash and brush on the sides. Just like so, guys. Okay, now I'm gonna bake this at 350 for 15 minutes. Now we're gonna transfer them to a cooling rack. For them to cool down. Guys, these are morning treats. They're so good as a breakfast treat. Very delicious. There you have it, guys. Mama Bui's peach Canos. Try this recipe and let me know how it turned out in the comment section down below. If you are new to my channel, welcome to Mama Bui's channel. Please subscribe and don't forget to hit that notification bell for more upcoming videos. Please like this video, share it with your friends and your family. Until next time, guys, bye. Honey for my